Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, whatever time of day it is you're watching this video. Here we are down at our local swim spot, and I am pleased to say I have got the benefit of Andrea Hall's company twice in 1 week.
I know.
2 dips, what we're doing, Andrea? 2 dips in 1 week. So this is our first river swim of the season, really. Down at Boston Spa. Someone's working over there, farming, taking water from the river, look, and spraying it over there. That's what they're doing. So here we are. What do you think, Andrea? You've not been here before?
I've not been in at this end before, so I'm up here before from further up. So I've not done it this way around. Yeah. I like this approach.
Newbie.
Yeah.
Newbie. And when we get back to the van, she's got a new Swimzi to try on as well. Swimzi XK to keep her warm when she gets there. So sign out for now. We're just going to get ready and get in the water. Yeah, you had a winter one, I used it, I reviewed it ages and ages ago, but now the summer one is